Alright guys, so my wife seen my heated jacket and decided she wanted one. So this is the Milwaukee M12 women's heated access jacket. It comes with a 3.0 battery, a M12 conversion kit, and a heavy duty cord. So we're going to open this up. This one's got different heat zones. It's got shoulders and chest. So this is what comes in the box. Now here you've got a primary zone and a secondary zone. Each one you hold for 2 seconds to turn on the primary, 2 seconds to turn on the secondary, and then vice versa to turn it off. 2 seconds off, 2 seconds off. So this is vacuum sealed. It's got 3 different levels, but this kit comes with a 3.0 battery instead of the 2.0 battery because it's got more heating zones. This run you about $200 plus tax, but if you spend any time outside during the winter at all, this is the way to go. So I'm trying to get this tape to come off here. It's not wanting to cooperate. Never does. There we go. So now you've got your adapter, which is how you plug this in. So this one is different than the men's. This can be used to charge other devices. It's also got a USB port, and then there's the power for the jacket. So this one's really multifunctional. It's really nice. So that's that. Here's your USB cord so that you can charge it. And then here is your 3.0 M12 battery. Let's see if we can get this open here. Tape on everything. Just a second. There we go. So then if you look there, that is a 3.0 battery. So the Axis comes with a nicer adapter and bigger battery. So if y'all like videos like this and you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all our future videos, and have a great day.